So in number 67, we've got a bunch of interesting unit vectors. I is directed to the east, y is directed to the north, and k is directed directly out of the page at you. And then what are the products of a dot k, b negative k dot negative j, and c j dot negative j? Let's do that part first. Just a quick reminder, when you do a dot product, in this case, I went ahead and put in one in front of the I hat here and one in front of the J hat. This is the I dot, whoops, this is supposed to be K. Pretend that's a K. And in this case, remember when you do a dot product, you usually multiply common pieces. In this case, there is no K term on this one, there's no I term on this one. And so when you multiply these through, you'll just end up with 0. No interesting results there. B, what's negative k dot negative j? Well, very similar. It's going to be 0. There's no common terms. But for C, j dot negative j, 1 times negative 1 gives us negative 1. Now, for these next three, we're going to be talking about I pointing towards the right, J pointing up, and K pointing out of the page. And they also tell us to sort of use east, west, north, south for all those kind of terms. Remember, for cross products, you have to do the right-hand rule. So K cross J, we've got to go out of the page first, and then bend our fingers in the direction of J. And if we can easily do that, our thumb points in the direction of the cross product, which in this case is going to be negative I. Now, warning, I'm doing my left hand because I'm on Zoom, but hopefully that'll make sense. Double check it again using those down here, for which in this case would be west. Negative I cross negative j. For my perspective, negative I is pointing this way, and negative j would be pointing downward. If I do that, I end up with k, which is pointing out of the screen. And in our perspective, then, that would be, actually not quite north, it would be up. I'm going to cross that one out. There's a few mistakes on this slide. And then find the last one, negative k cross negative j. Negative k would be pointing into the screen, and then going to negative j, that would be downward, and I get an answer of, again, negative I, which again would be west. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Sorry for the mistakes on this slide. I think I did it in a rush. Have a good night. We'll talk to you soon.